Hey guys, Flip Man here. So 9 a.m. Tuesday morning, and I just want to kind of show you guys what I do as an entrepreneur, traveling, earning passive income, and kind of how it looks on Coronado Island, and show you all my favorite spots out here. The best way around the island is a golf cart. So we rented a VRBO for 30 days, and we have a golf cart to drive around. So we're heading over to the famous world-renowned Dell, and they do give history tours. If you guys are into history, the tour takes 1 hour. So we have never stayed here. We're about 5 minutes down at a VRBO. So a little overcast today. Typically, it's called June gloom out here in San Diego area, but it's nice to wake up some days with the June gloom, and then by 11, 12 you got the sun. This here is an entrance into the hotel, and there's tons of shops and overpriced things, but I think I paid like $11 for water yesterday. So they do have a lot of private events up here. Beautiful courtyard. Last week there was a conference with orthopedic surgeons, so I got to network with some of those doctors that were here for the conference. All right, so I'm going to take you in the main lobby here and show you around. So as you walk in, you see all the redwood up there. That was all restored. That took thousands of hours the last 2 years, tons of time and labor. Nice gift shop in there. Top Gun is really big right now. Because part of that was filmed here on Coronado Island. Main area where guests check in, and got the beautiful chandelier, and then you can see they have a annual meeting, and they have a bunch of conference rooms here. Big companies use this space here. I'll walk you guys down the hallway and show you the ballroom. This here, you'll see these white pedestals throughout the hotel. You could take a self-guided tour which gives you the history, and you pay $20 for the headsets. Down in the ice room, all the shops are downstairs there. So luggage, handbags, still very quiet around 9:30. There's 2 outdoor pools. You got the Eno Pizzeria, which is fairly new. You got the market and pizza. And then down here, you have the private pool. We've been there quite a few times on the stay. They have a great jacuzzi. They have the cabanas down there. This is the patio here, where I will come early morning and just read a book or write and look out into the ocean. So that's been amazing with 70-degree Fahrenheit temperature in the mornings. And then we'll go over here to the Babcock. Show you where I sit. So this is my morning or afternoon routine. While I come in here, grab a seat, usually by myself, because networking by yourself works really well. So I'll grab a seat, plug my phone in, get some work done, bring the laptop if I need it, grab a jalapeno margarita, which are the bomb. You guys will love those if you like spicy drinks, but they do have some sweet drinks. If people like sweet drinks, definitely recommend it. So this is really what I've been doing for the past 20 days in the morning. At 11 today, we have our very first Zoom call for the Passive Income Accelerator course. You guys should definitely check it out. We're building a great community there. So that's at 11, and then I do some private one-on-one mentoring Zoom calls after that. And then as an entrepreneur, I'll be back here networking around 3 or 4 to meet folks, usually go to dinner, and then back working at the house. Those are definitely the best things as an entrepreneur. You could travel, you could bring your family. We've always done that the past 20 years, so it's been great. So over down here, part of the Dell, what the Hotel Dell offers is event hosting. So right now, guys, we're checking into that for August to have our event out here with some amazing speakers. This here would be like a giant event, over 100 people maybe in here, but then there's another area over there that we're looking at that is closer to the ocean. That's for 20 to 30 people, so that's what we're gonna plan on. This here is overlooking the sand and the water. Very peaceful, very great area for just connecting, networking, and getting to know the community. So that's it. We're gonna head back, hop on the Zoom call. Look forward to meeting you guys. charge for cleaning. If I'm charging $300 on my Chandler house per night, I could actually charge like $250 for cleaning versus $125 or $150. I'm paying the housekeeper $150 on that, so I could keep the extra $100. Hey guys, so we just finished our very first live group Zoom call on piaccelerator.com. If you weren't there, it was amazing. So if you want to check it out, go to my Instagram and click the link. Hey guys, so we just finished our live Zoom call. That was an hour of a bunch of nuggets. The community is starting, so very exciting. Now, break time, gonna head over to the gym. Got my drink here. We do this every day. We go to the gym either early morning or midday. So that's one of the benefits of being an entrepreneur, you guys. We kind of set our own schedule, our own time. So that's why we could get away for an hour and a half workout in the middle of the day, and then get that workout in and go back to work. As an entrepreneur, the hours are up to you. So we made it down to Orange Avenue where we were this morning. The gym, Coronado Fitness Club, is the main one here. There's no chains on the island. Chris is the owner. We're gonna go hit some back and buys, so I'll let you know how it goes. And I crushed it here at the dungeon. So I just finished my workout, awesome workout. So now I'm gonna hop on a coaching call with Ty Chili, one of the students that's interested in the one-on-one mentorship. So if you guys are interested, definitely hit me up about the one-on-one mentorship. After the call, I'm gonna change out, get in my swimsuit, and the rest of the day is at the beach with the family.